Here we are in my lovely home, and we are going to talk this evening about bubbles. So this is a lab that I'm going to be showing you, and then you're going to be doing the same lab. So today at school I asked you if you could get a straw or a couple of straws and some Dawn dishwashing detergent, and I'm going to show you a couple of things to do with bubbles. So the first thing that I wanted to talk to you a little bit about, when you do the first experiment, you're going to be recreating, you have to have a nice flat surface, and you're going to be recreating a bubble. It's going to be half of a sphere if you do it just right, and you're going to need to take a look at it and sit back and watch how it's going to show you variations of colors, the colors of the rainbow. So you're getting a reflective essence. It's coming from the rays. That was a cat that just walked in front of me. And you're gonna see a variety of things within the bubble. So the bubble is actually acts like an adhesive to the surface of the table. So that's the first experiment. The second experiment that you're going to be doing is, when I demonstrate it to you, you're going to see that the bubbles are going to form into 120-degree angles, creating a hexagonal design. So mathematics at its best. So I just wanted you to have a little fun with this. I'm going to show you how to do it. And then after everything is said and done, you will do the same, these same two experiments at home, and you will do the write-up. So you'll do a scientific write-up with this. So here's the first. I'm going to show you how to do the first one. Okay, all you need is a little bowl of water. I'm telling you to dip it, but I discovered that if you pour it, so you take just a little bit of Dawn dishwashing soap, I don't know, like 3 or 4 tablespoons maybe. Take a little bit of it, pour it on the table, as such. That's going to go all over the place, and that's okay. Then you're going to stand up directly over it. And blow very slowly. Whoops, I think it popped. Okay, yeah, it did pop. So if you have the right type of table, you may have to do this several times. If it leaves a ring, then you can actually take a ruler. Now mine is only measured in inches, but you can take if you only have inches, you can measure it out in inches, measure out its circumference, and see how big you can, do like 5 or 6 different trials and see how big you can get the bubble. Let's try one more. Stand over it and blow gently. Maybe not. Sometimes you got to mix up the soap. Okay. Well, you saw the first one that I did. So you just have to kind of play around with it. If you have to add a little bit more soap, you can do that. So the second experiment that you're going to do, and again, you can just use a little bowl, and you have your straw. You're going to take it, and you're going to blow into it. Now, there's a little thing that you need to be careful of on this one, because, the more you exhale, you inhale and you exhale. You inhale oxygen, you exhale carbon dioxide, CO2. You don't want to keep exhaling because you might get dizzy. So you have to stop. If you start getting lightheaded, you stop. Okay, so this is the next one. You take the bubble mixture and you're just going to blow. Now, normally in the classroom, you would be doing this with 3 or 4 other people, so you could imagine how big the bubbles would be. But notice, 120-degree angles, hexagonal. This is what you want. And then notice, you'll see this all involves reflection. It does involve refraction too, of the iridescent lighting that comes through. So there's a little bit of bubble magic in all of this. So I want you to just go ahead and have a great time with this, play around with it. Make sure you have a good table to work with the bubbles on, and see how many trials you can do. You can do like 5 trials for the single sphered bubble, and this one as many times as you can do it. And then what you'll need to do is you'll need to make some really good drawings. So you're going to be doing the scientific method, answering some questions, and then you're going to give me some really good drawings of what you've created. So I hope you really enjoy it, and I'll see you later. Bye.